Welcome to Nifty Pulse India. Here we will give about the pre-market and post-market analysis and weekly one strategy. Now let's see about the important support and resistance levels of Nifty. For that, who are doing intraday trading can keep 30 minutes and make this as a line so that we can draw the support and resistance levels. For support, we can give green color. First I will draw, then you can pause and mark. For resistance, we can give red color. 3 support and 3 resistance levels is necessary is enough for one day's trading. Then we can mark the important key levels, it's the round numbers, 25,000, 24,900, 24,800, because these are the important round numbers. See, support is very near to the round number. You can pause and mark. This is S1 support 1. This is S2. This one is S3. So the values are here. Can make the S1 as 24,800, S2 24,645. We can keep the round numbers, no problem. S3 24,533.5. This is the R1. R1 24,882. R2 25,089. Then R3 25,230. So these are the important key levels for today's. This is for Nifty. For Bank Nifty we can do that same way. Keep this as 30 minutes. Change it to line. Then we can draw the support and resistance levels. For support we can give green color. Three lines is enough. For resistance we can give red color. Any round number, for round number here, 56,000 is the round number, so that we can mark. For Nifty, we can mark round numbers as whichever comes in 1,500 levels, 56,500 and 55,500. Change it into 5 minutes candlestick. So these are the important support and resistance for Bank Nifty, and the important round numbers are also marked using the black color line. You can pause and mark it. Then we can go to Sensex. This is 30 minutes. Can keep this line. is the first support. For support we can give green color. For instance, we can give red color. Here the round number is whichever is coming in the thousands. It is 82,000. 81,000 at the bottom. Change into 5 minutes and candlestick. So these are the important keywords. This one is S1, it is S2, this is S3, R1, R2, R3. For resistance levels, you can see the number here and you can mark. You can pause and mark the important support and resistance levels. Thank you. Then the post analysis will also be posted today. There we can see how our support and resistance lines have acted and how the important round number lines have performed today. And thanks for watching. We are not SEBI registered and this is only for educational purpose. Trade on your own risk. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.